In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Batman Arkham Origins multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Batman Arkham Origins actually features multiplayer functionalities. However, if you try to acquire it nowadays through the Steam store or any other digital marketplace, you will notice that it only lists the game as having single-player capabilities. This is because the online services for Batman Arkham Origins were shut down, as you can see in 2016. However, the community made an effort to keep the multiplayer alive, so there is an alternative method that you can take to ensure that you are able to play multiplayer. To my knowledge, this method is only going to work for PC, so keep that in mind. While it might be possible for you to play multiplayer on consoles, this specific video that I'm recording now is going to be directed towards the PC experience. So, to actually access the multiplayer functionalities of Batman Arkham Origins, we have to download Arkham Revived. As the name suggests, this is going to revive the servers. As you can see, this software is a self-hosted authentication server for Batman Arkham Origins Online. You simply have to download this tool and include your Steam ID over here. Afterwards, click Start and you will be able to launch the game using this program. This will now allow you to matchmake with other people who are also using it. And it is entirely hosted on GitHub, so you can access the code, you can see other issues, you can ask questions, and so on. To acquire this, all that you have to do is look for Arkham Revived, made by Kiwifruit Dev on GitHub, and then click on the releases at the right side of the screen. Download this as the zip file here, and then once you open it up, you will be able to use the actual Arkham Revived hosted server. So just open the exe file and you will be good to go to play Arkham Origins multiplayer in 2024. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Batman Arkham Origins multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.